Hi, I'm Mateusz Meurebreu, Chief Fartologist at Unfamous Sounds. We took the world by surprise about a year ago when we started Unfamous Sounds. Unfamous Sound is a new way of licensing music that no one actually wanted to purchase before because of how awful the music is, music and sound effects. So the concept really is to mix two worlds. On one hand, there's a world of crappy artists that couldn't sell their music, and even people wouldn't want to download it for free because of how awful it is. And on the other hand, we have customers that don't have the money to purchase licensed music. So what we did basically with Unfamous Sound is that we mixed those two worlds. So the concept is unprecedented because in most businesses, the customers will go and purchase to get the music, right? But at Unfamous Sounds, we came up with a different concept. So we decided to take those awful sounds, and we have a strong focus on farting sounds. Don't ask me why, but this is just the most popular. And for example, we have artists like Fart Boy Slim that was actually discovered on our platform. And we came up with a crazy business model. So the idea is that we actually pay the customers to download the music of the crappy artists. So this way is the best of both worlds. The customers that didn't have the money, now they can get licensed music, and the crappy artists and sound engineers, they can have their music downloaded, Now, the thing is, the artists do not get paid. Actually, it's the artists that actually pay the customers to download their music, and we're like the middleman and we take our cut. But we feel really good about Unfamous Sounds because now we have happy, crappy artists and sound engineers, and we have happy customers that would have downloaded music illegally anyway. So now they downloading music legally and they're getting paid for that. And before that, they didn't have any money to purchase the music, and now they get the music and the sound effects, and they get money on top of that. Fartology is often misunderstood, and we managed to combine the science of fartology with a startup business model, and we're really proud of that. Farts have existed for millions of years, and it's only now that you can actually pay to license farts in music and in sound effects.